responding to. And in terms of the coronavirus, New York City and state has been at the epicenter of the number of deaths, the number of people infected. We have really been the center not only of the treatment, but we're now the center of the research that's taking place for cures and for the vaccine, which we are working for it to be free. But there's been a lot of challenges. People have been afraid for their lives. We've lost 20,000 of our friends and neighbors in New York City alone, and many, many more have been sick and recovered. So we've had that tremendous challenge. On top of it was the mistrust of the citizenship question. Every professional at the Census Bureau and everywhere else said that this question would discourage people from participating. We took this, the committee brought lawsuit and many others, we took it all the way to the Supreme Court, and we won, and we had it removed. So it's no longer there. It should no longer be a deterrent to anyone. The Constitution says everyone should be counted. Even if you're visiting our country from a foreign country, then you should be counted as who is in the country when we do this census count. So it's very, very important. But we also have to get the message out that the census is completely and totally confidential, so that no one's information will be allowed for any other purpose but a number that shows the research that we need for different age groups, different health issues and everything else. You can fill out the census form in about 5 minutes or less by just going either calling the number we gave you or going online to my2020census.com and fill it out. And it's so important, not just for yourself and your family, but all your neighbors. As we said, if your children are not counted, then the money is not there for the school formulas to help us, with the funding for the education of children, the funding of the senior centers and the food programs that we have, and all of our funding, all of our federal funding is based on census numbers, and it has to be filled out.